Hi Algebra 1, here's some help on this Intro to Factoring worksheet if you need it. Your goal in a lot of this worksheet is to find the missing pieces in these diagrams. So what's happening in this diagram is that we're taking 2 times x plus 6, and so we can multiply just like normal, and then we're writing that in two separate ways. We're writing it as 2 times x plus 6, that's basically what you started with, and then we're writing what we end up with as our answer, 2x plus 12. Notice that that would also come from using the arrows with your distributive property. In number 2, you're given the diagram and you need to figure out what's going to go in those missing boxes. So right here I have 5 times what gets me 5x. Well, that's going to be 5 times x. And then 5 times what gets us 20. 5 times 4 is 20. And then you would write your answer in those two ways, just like in number 1. Number 5 was also given as an example for you. I know that it's filled in on your worksheet, but this is how we got that. We want to end up with 5x plus 35. And we get that by taking 5 times something. And we're going to see that that's x plus 7, but here's how. I would put the 5 right here because that's going to be on its own being multiplied by something. And I know that I need 5x, and I know that I need 35 in here. And then I'm wondering 5 times what gets us 5x, so that's going to be x. And then 5 times what gets us 35, and that's going to be 7. So that's how we found that x plus 7 there. Here's a little help with number 11. I know that that's given as an example with the answer right here, but the hint is to draw a diagram to help you with that. So here's how that would look. I start out with my diagram putting in 4x minus 16. Those are the two terms in that description right there. And so I'm wondering, what do I need to multiply together to get 4x? Well, I need to take 4 times x to get 4x. And then 4 times what gets us negative 16? And that's going to be a negative 4. 4 times negative 4 is negative 16. So our answer is that 4 times x minus 4, that's what's written right here, is the same as 4x minus 16. And if you notice, it's just an equivalent expression because if I did use arrows with the distributive property, I would get the exact same thing. All right, Algebra 1, hopefully that gets you going on this worksheet. If you have any questions, ask tomorrow in class or send me a quick email. Bye.